My name is Amanda Domagola, and I'm an optometrist here at Virginia Eye Institute. I did my undergraduate training at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, studied biology and psychology, and I studied optometry at Illinois College of Optometry in Chicago. I sort of grew up around optometry. My dad's an optician, so I was used to kind of following the optometrist in the office that he worked at. And I was able to see the impact that the doctors had there on the patients and really how life-changing it is to be an optometrist. I really like to see pediatric patients. I've had some young patients, 3-4 years old, and parents have talked about how their kids just aren't engaging in the environment around them. And then once they get that first pair of glasses, how they're just a totally different kid. It's pretty amazing to hear about. So I find patient education to be huge. Just spending those few extra 5 minutes at the end of the exam really talking to the patient about what you found and how they can proceed forward. Virginia Eye Institute definitely keeps up to date on all the latest technology, always searching for the newest machines, instruments in order to better diagnose and help treat patients, which I think is really important as we continue to discover more about different eye diseases and how to treat them. And I really like that there is a large group of doctors here that I can collaborate with on patient care and refer patients as needed. One of the things that really drew me to Richmond is proximity to a lot of things out in nature. You can get to the mountains pretty easily or to the beach out east. Within the city, definitely a great food scene, which I like, so I'm excited.